Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I'll show you guys how to fix automatically shutdown problem on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to go to your start or search window and type control space panel. After that, press enter from your keyboard. After open control panel, make sure that you have selected over here view by selected large icon or small icon. So I have selected large icon, as you can see. Now you will get a power option over here. So click on that power option. Now what you have to do, you just need to click on this choose what the power buttons do. So click on that option. Now click on change settings that are currently unavailable. So after that, you just need to uncheck this option which is turn on for fast startup. So you just need to uncheck this option and click on save changes. Once it will done, make sure that you have selected balanced recommended preferred plans, your power plan. Make sure that you have selected this one. After that, click on change power plan settings and make sure that turn off display is more than 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, so I'll choose here 10 minutes. After that, click on save changes. Now close this window. Now what you have to do, you just need to go to your start or search window and type system.cpl. okay, so type this command on your search box on your Windows 11. After that, press enter. Now after open system properties, you just need to click on advanced. Now here you will get startup and recovery option. Under that option you will get settings button. So click on that. Now under system failure you will get automatically restart option. So uncheck this one and click on OK. After done, you just need to restart your PC and check if your problem is solved or not. So after restart, still if your problem is there, then I will suggest you to scan your system file. For that, you just need to go to your start or search window and type cmd. Now open command prompt. After open command prompt, you just need to type sfc /scan now. Now this command will help you to scan your file system. So as you can see, it is showing you must be an administrator. So for that, you just need to copy this command. Again, you just need to go to your start window, start menu and type cmd. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. So that is the reason it's not working. So now it will work. As you can see, sfc /scan now. If I'll press enter, now as you can see, it is verifying system file. So after verify, you just need to restart your PC. Also, dried out thermal paste on the CPU can cause overheating, and because of that, might be you will get shutdown problems or error on your Windows 11 PC or laptops. So to fix this issue, you just need to apply or use thermal paste on your CPU, and you will get lots of videos on YouTube on this topic. So I hope this quick tutorial was really for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.